Hello friends, my name is Shahid Mir. I am from Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh, GESU 1992 Mechanical Engineering branch. At the moment, I am working as a senior project manager in Doha, Qatar, one of the luxurious project in Doha at the moment. एंड सबसे पहले मैं आपको तहे दिल से स्वतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और ये आपको बात मैं बता दूं कि कहीं पर भी जाओ, सबसे पहले आपका इंट्रोडक्शन बीइंग एन इंडियन ही होता है। आप आप कभी भी पूछो आप कहाँ से हो, तो मेरा आंसर होता है आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया। और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं मिस करता हूँ अपने देश की धरती। एक्चुअली बुरहानपुर इज़ माई बर्थ प्लेस एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी एन इंडियन। सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे मिठाई बहुत पसंद है वहाँ की, बुरहानपुर की। और सारे फ्रेंड्स, आई एम मिसिंग ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स। और जब से मैं गेसू 1992 ग्रुप से जुड़ा हूँ मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि मैं देश के बाहर हूँ। इतनी सारी बातें होती है, इतनी सारे टॉपिक पे डिस्कशंस होते हैं और सब अपनी अपनी राय देते हैं। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि मैं देश के बाहर हूँ, सही बताता हूँ। एंड अगेन वंस आई वांट टू टेल यू हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello everyone. First of all, very happy Independence Day to all my countrymen and fellow Guestwites. I'm Sanjeev Mathur, 92 pass out mechanical engineering branch. I'm here in UAE since last 15 years and currently working as general manager for Laminar Air Conditioning Industries. We are into the manufacturing of the ductings and the other accessories which goes into the HVAC industry. Thank you, Sanjay Kimisra, for bringing us all together and giving us the opportunity to connect with each other. Thank you, Punit sir, and others who were involved in bringing out Samvad, giving us a platform where each and everyone is contributing, and we are getting to learn so much from our colleagues and from our batchmates and from our seniors. And I'm really enjoying it. I'm actively taking part into it. I'm continuously listening to all the episodes, and yeah, it's such a great thing. Thank you once again. And if we talk about what I miss being in overseas, working overseas, and is that I miss the biking. I miss the open air and other things. Stopping anywhere and just sitting down and just having a cup of tea on any pan ki gumti or other things, so which we miss in overseas. So yes, and being a proud Indian, yes, I'm. Thank you, Sanjay Kimisra and others for giving us this opportunity once again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Mahakal. Myself Sunil Lavanshi. I am a chemical engineer, pass out from GESU in 2004. Currently I am working in Yasraf as an operationship supervisor in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yasraf is Yanbu Aramco Sinopec refinery. It's a grassroots crude oil refinery of capacity 4 lakh barrel per steam day, and it is biggest in the area. GESU Samvad is very good platform for all GESUites to share their life experience and knowledge. It's impressive and great initiative by our senior and friends. After living in Saudi Arabia, I find so many reason to pride in my India. India, it has freedom to speak, cultural diversity. Each and every religion has its own value and upholding, which I do not see in another countries. That is the really things that I pride in my country. We see that after a decades, India is growing in each and every sectors. India is leading to the world and world's eyes to the Indian leadership. The basic things that I missed in Saudi are colors, food and festival. Here life in Saudi is like black and white. Women are in black dresses while men's in white. I find that India has so many food tastes from east to west and north to south. That things also I am missing here. Friends, we are going to celebrate 73rd Independence Day on this 15 August. So very happy Independence Day to all from me and my family. And India is now really going towards really freedoms from the corruption and nepotism. So again, very happy Independence Day to all. Stay happy, stay healthy. Jai Hind.